closing. And after each one of this, we have to leave one line. Write it down, everyone. We have seen what is, let us see what is meant by everything. What do you mean by sender's address? If you are writing the letter, who will send the letter? Of course you. So in the question it will be mentioned you are this person, name will be given and your address will be given. That address you will have to write. Usually the sender's address is written in this format and usually it is given. Preet Vihar Colony, for example, and then we write New Delhi. Okay, this is the address we have written. After that we need to write date. What is today's date? 12th January. So we write January also, you can write complete January, no problem. January 12th 2021. So it should not cross this line also. It should look neat and clean. After that again we have to leave one line as per your copy. Your copies have lines in it. And after that we write receiver's address. We have seen in receiver's address what is the first thing that we need to write? Designation. What do you mean by designation? Post. The post of the person on which the person is designated. जिस post पे वो काम कर रहा है. For example, if you have to write the letter to the editor, the editor is the post. If you have to write the letter to the manager of some company, the manager is the post. If you have to write letter to the municipal corporation, then corporation is not the designation. You have to write it to municipal commissioner or municipal head. Like this, designation you have to write. So for example, the very common is the editor. So we write it to the editor. The editor. After designation, we need to mention the name of the institution. For example, name a newspaper that you know. The Times of India, the Hindu, any newspaper you can write. Now, when you are in New Delhi, will you be writing in Rajasthan or to Rajasthan's newspaper? No. So this address very commonly has to be clear and same. And if you have any sub-address, you can mention that also. Colony name or branch name, anything you can mention there. After that, subject. I already told you many times the subject should be a phrase. What do you mean by a phrase? Not complete sentence. A group of words that do not make complete sense is known as phrase. So we need to write a phrase as a subject. For example, you are very much irritated by the sanitization of your colony. The drains are open and because of them new germs are born, and that is why lot of diseases are caused. So now what is the problem? Sanitation problem. Cleanliness of drains. Drains, नालियाँ साफ करवाना, sanitation, साफ सफाई की problem है. What can be the subject that you can write? Lack of sanitation you can write. Lack of cleanliness, poor drains. ठीक है? Lack of sanitation as subject you can write. So that will be your subject. You can mention your subject and you can write this. Okay? As a phrase. In colony also you can mention or you can write like this. Lack of sanitation, or if you want to make it more grand or you can make it more serious by writing spread of diseases in the colony. Spread of diseases in the colony. Or you can write people dying due to diseases in the colony. But you have to ensure that your phrase should not be a complete sentence. You should not go with the flow. You just have to give an introduction of the topic in the subject. That is it. And you have to present it very seriously so that your topic might be read further. Okay? Thereafter, salutation. Salutation you can write dear sir. And to make it more formal, you can write respected. Can you please close the door? Respected sir. Okay. After that, we need to start the what? Now, starting the content, everybody faces problem in how to start the of the letter writing. Now how can you start if it's a complaint letter?
Introduction.
You can introduce by saying a few lines. Is it visible here?
Yes.
I regret to inform. I regret to inform that I regret to inform, मुझे दुख है ये बात बताते हुए आपको क्या, that I have been complaining to the municipalities to clean the canals and tanks and drains of our colony, but they are not considering it. तो ये भी आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, I regret to inform, मुझे दुख है ये बताते हुए कि मैंने म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज को ये लेटर लिख चुके हैं, हम लिख चुके हैं, बट कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया जाता है. तो यू कैन स्टार्ट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. On the basic which I always tell, if you are writing to the editor, you can write through the columns. Through the columns. What do you mean by columns? Every newspaper have columns, and in those columns the articles are written. So you can write through the columns of your newspaper or of your esteemed newspaper, of your esteemed. You can write these starting lines. Esteemed newspaper, I would like to bring to notice what? The problem of sanitization, the problem of cleanliness of tank in our colony, the problem of growing diseases in our colony. The spreading diseases are causing deaths of street animals or the human beings. All these points you can mention, and that is how you can make your letter more serious to be read. Okay, since we are writing formal letter, we need to present it more seriously so that your letter is considered. And after all these problems, if you have some suggestions, you can write. What suggestions? I would like to request you to please ask the authorities, ask the municipalities to get the drains cleaned and covered. यही solution हो सकता है कि जो नालियाँ हैं उसको साफ करवा के उसको cover करवा दिया जाए. To get the drains cleaned and covered, so that these growing insects and these growing mosquitoes and flies don't breed in those dirty water, and after breeding they come to your home and spread diseases that will be cured. After writing the solution, at last you will have to write I hope. What you expect, वो लाइन लिखनी होती है. जो एक्सपेक्टेशन वाली लाइन होती है वो आप कैसे लिख सकते हैं? I hope my problem would be taken into consideration and it will be solved soon. Okay, so this is a letter which you can write. This is how you can write a letter to the editor, and this is a very basic thing that you need to learn. Not only today in this class, everywhere you need to write formal letter. So this is very, important for your lifetime, but not only for your exam. So you need to learn these things. So write it down, and then we will move to a question. So now your question is, write a letter. Write a letter of complaint. Complaint letter we have to write. Against what? To whom we have to write? To the health officer of your town. Town के health officer को लिखना है. So town you get here, and designation is here, health officer. Okay. Complaining against what? Insanitary condition of your locality, and your locality is 25 Jahangirpuri. Got your address? 25 Jahangirpuri, Delhi, your address and your locality. This is. And you have to complain to the health officer. Designation also you got, area also you got, and what you have to write, that is also written. Request him to take suitable measures, and that is what you have to write in the letter. Let us start writing the letter.
Insanitary condition.
Again, that is not normal, means dirty. It is same to the thing that we were discussing. Insanitary means that is not clean and healthy, neat and clean. So very first thing will be sender's address. What is the sender's address? Right, 25 Jahangirpuri, Delhi. What is the date on which you are writing? January. Date. 12, 2021. To whom you are writing? To the health officer. The health officer you are writing. Nagar Nigam or municipality, both you can write. And what is your town? Delhi. So here's your sender's address, here's the date, and here's the receiver's address. Receiver's address, and the first thing is designation, the second thing is the name of the institution. Name of the institution is Nagar Nigam. And third one is address, that is Delhi. So these are the 3 points. What is the subject?
Complaining against insanity.
This is your subject. It is very clearly given. See, complain against insanitary condition. Very clear subject is given. Complain against insanitary conditions. That is, sanitation is not done properly. Dirty condition of your locality. Now you have to start after salutation. Salutation, respected sir. Now let us start the content. I beg. So I beg means a sort of request. Now what you have to beg? To draw. I beg to draw your attention. This is the content. Towards what you need to draw the attention? Towards the insanitary condition of the locality. What is the locality address? 25 Jahangirpur. So this is the first line. If you write in your copy, it will be 1 line. That will be okay. Now what is the area? What is the problem? The problem is mainly poor people live in this area. Mainly, who live in this area? Poor people live in this area. And now you can understand what can be the problem, because poor people live in this area. They don't have proper facilities to drain their waste, to throw their waste away, and there is no proper facility provided by the government as well. So what do you need now? You need that a proper facility for sanitation, for draining, for throwing of garbage. Everything is provided by the government. That is what you have to request to the health officer. Also you have to request that there should be regular medical checkup of the people living in that colony, because they are poor and they are living in that dirt. So there might be many contagious diseases which they might be suffering from. So you have to mention this much, and then you have to write, I hope my problem will be considered. You don't need to make it much lengthy, because from here to the end you need to complete it only in how many words? 100 to 150 words. 120 you can also complete in 120 words, or you can go maximum to 150 words. So don't need to write an essay. Just need to mention a problem, and at last you can write, I hope my problem will be considered soon, and a proper solution would be introduced for it. A proper solution will be brought for it. Okay, proper change will be brought very soon. Very sincerely, who are you? Harish. Very sincerely, Harish. The letter is over. So that is all you have to write about formal letter. You people make it rocket science, but it's not. It's very easy, because you have to finish only in how many words? 120 words. And if you start from here, writing till here, you might have finished 50-60 words. So only 50-60 words more you need to write, in which I hope our line is very easy, that you all know. And yours sincerely and Harish is 3 words again. So very few 20-25 words means 2-3 lines more you have to add by your side. At least that much you can do. Okay, so I hope letter writing is complete now, and you won't face any problem Yes or no?
Yes.
Shall we close letter writing now?
Yes, ma'am.
So next class we will be seeing article writing. इसको बंद कर